Are you tired of the paycheck to paycheck cycle? You're not alone. It's a relentless rhythm, draining our wallets and energy. Living on the financial edge feels like a heavy weight, limiting our choices and casting a shadow over our plans. But what if there was a different way? Imagine breaking free from this cycle, stepping into a world of financial stability. It's possible to escape the constant worry and live a life where dreams are within reach. Imagine having control over your money, rather than your money controlling you. This is where budgeting comes in. Budgeting, it's a word that makes many of us wince. We often associate it with restrictions, limitations, and let's face it, a whole lot of paperwork. But what if I told you that budgeting is actually a tool for freedom, not confinement? Picture this, a family of 4, 2 working parents, 2 school-aged children. They live comfortably, but every month they seem to be barely making ends meet. The stress of financial uncertainty looms over them like a dark cloud. Then they decide to make a change. They sit down, they look at their income, they categorize their expenses, and they create a budget. They discover that they've been spending a hefty sum on dining out and entertainment. They decide to cut back, to eat at home more, to make better use of the resources they have. And guess what? Within a few months, they start seeing a difference. They're not just scraping by anymore. They're saving, they're planning for the future. The dark cloud of financial stress is starting to dissipate. And all of this thanks to the power of budgeting. But it's not just about money. It's about the peace of mind that comes with knowing exactly where your money is going. It's about the confidence that comes with financial control. It's about the freedom that comes from being able to make informed decisions about your money. Budgeting isn't about penny pinching or depriving yourself. It's about understanding your financial situation and making smart decisions to improve it. It's about prioritizing your spending so you can afford the things that truly matter to you. It's about taking charge of your financial future and saying, I am the master of my money, not the other way around. So let's change the narrative around budgeting. Let's see it for what it truly is. A tool for financial freedom, a tool for peace of mind, a tool for empowerment. A budget isn't a restriction, it's a freedom tool. Now that you're saving more, why not make your money work for you? Enter investing. You might think investing is a game for the rich, or for those who have a knack for numbers. But let me tell you, investing is for everyone, and it's one of the easiest ways to secure your financial future. Think of investing as planting a seed. In the beginning, it's just a tiny thing, but with time, care, and patience, it grows into a mighty tree. When you invest, you're planting your money in fertile ground where it can grow exponentially. Let's take a look at a simple example. Imagine you've managed to save an extra $200 a month. Instead of letting it sit idle in your savings account, you decide to invest it in the stock market. Assuming an average annual return of 7%, in 20 years, you would have accumulated over $100,000 from your initial $48,000 investment. That's more than double your money. But stocks aren't the only way to invest. Real estate is another great option. Buying a rental property might seem daunting, but it can provide a steady stream of passive income, and the property itself can appreciate in value over time. And let's not forget about retirement accounts. Contributing to a 401k or an IRA can provide you tax advantages, while also growing your wealth. Remember, the earlier you start, the more your money grows, thanks to the power of compound interest. Investing might seem complex at first, but there are plenty of resources out there to help you get started. And remember, the most important thing is to start. Even if it's a small amount, the act of investing can set you on the path to financial freedom. Investing isn't just for the rich, it's for everyone. It's about making your money work for you, so that one day you won't have to work for your money. Reducing debt isn't just good for your wallet, it's good for your mental health too. Imagine for a moment the weight lifted off your shoulders when you're no longer shackled by high-interest debt. It's not just about having more disposable income, it's about the freedom and peace of mind that comes with it. Let's take John as an example. John was struggling under the burden of credit card debt, with an interest rate of over 20%. By focusing his resources on clearing this debt, he was able to free up a significant portion of his monthly income. Now he's not only saving more, he's also investing, setting himself up for a brighter financial future. Remember, the key is to prioritize high-interest debt. It's the one silently eating away at your hard-earned money. But every step you take is a step toward financial freedom. Being debt-free is an achievable goal. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. You've worked hard for your skills and experience. Are you being paid what you're worth? It's not a rhetorical question, but one that many of us often overlook. It's time to talk about negotiating your worth. Imagine this. John, an accountant with 5 years of experience, has been with the same company since he graduated. He's comfortable but realizes he's underpaid compared to industry standards. Instead of settling, John does his homework, gathers data on pay scales in his field, and presents a well-reasoned case to his manager. The result? A significant salary increase that acknowledges his value and contribution. The key is preparation and courage. Understand your industry's pay scale, your role's value, and muster the confidence to articulate it. Don't sell yourself short. You've honed your skills, invested time, and brought value to your workplace. Remember, your time and skills are valuable. It's high time you ensure they're valued appropriately. Imagine a life free from financial stress. It's closer than you think. Throughout this journey, we've explored vital strategies that can steer you towards financial freedom. The first step is breaking the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, and the power of budgeting plays a crucial role. By tracking expenses and eliminating unnecessary spending, we create a path to save more each month. Investing these savings is the next leap towards securing your future. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or retirement accounts, wise investments can grow your wealth exponentially over time. Debt reduction is another significant milestone. By tackling high-interest debts, you free up more resources for saving and investing. Finally, remember the importance of negotiating your worth. Your skills and time have value, and it's essential to ensure your compensation reflects that. Financial freedom is within your reach. Subscribe to our channel for more personal finance tips